Good morning, Scott Davis from The Morning Breach. I wanted to come to you real quick with a technical tip on how to stop Facebook from following and saving information it gathers from sites that are not Facebook. So first and foremost, you need to be logged into your Facebook account. Click the down arrow up top and we're going to go Settings, Privacy, Settings, and in your Facebook information, you see Off Facebook Activity. View or clear activity from businesses and organizations you visit off Facebook. So what I want to do is I want to view this. And the first thing it's going to come up is going to tell you off Facebook activity. What is off Facebook activity? Which it includes information that businesses and organizations share with Facebook about your interactions with them. So if you ever wondered, hey, I checked this out online, why am I automatically now getting ads on Facebook for it? This is probably one of those indicators. So here, you can actually come over here. What can you do? You can manage your off Facebook activity. So this does two things. One, it shows all the different websites, in my case, 826 websites that actually have gathered information and shared it with Facebook, which has been tied to my account. So what I want to do is I want to come in here and I want to manage future activity. So by managing future activity, they're going to pop up and say, hey, if you do this, Facebook's not going to be able to show you relevant ads and introduce you to new products and services. It's not going to create a more personalized experience for you. Here, it's trying to talk you out of doing this. So manage future activity. And here you can turn off future off Facebook activity. Now this will not, by changing that tab and turning it off, it will not automatically erase what is already there. So what you actually need to do is here on your off Facebook activity, click clear history, and that will clear the history of everything that you have gone through so far. That's it for today's tech tip. If you have any questions, please reach out to us on the post or via email, tmb@themorningbreach.com. Thanks for watching.